Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy 13 back here with another reaction video. We finna watch Getting Girls Number with the Flip Phone Part 2 by the no other Duke Dennis. Let's get straight into this bitch. Talk to me, gang.
Oh, you see that right there? Hey, look. 810. You ride 8 seconds, you win $200.
How long you got? Ride you win $200?
Ride it, bro. Is it hard though?
Case a challenge.
Have you did it?
Say hey to my smell.
What's up with it,
I'm
Snell?
just that fan.
What's up with it? Have you did it before?
Have I done it? I'm just the assistant. I'm just covering for the boss today.
Can you give me change for 20 for one ride?
Get out of here.
Here you go. I'm a little nervous, so you gotta...
I need your sign right here.
Right here?
Yep.
D.
Hey, ride the hell out of it.
They gotta make sure niggas don't get hurt. They have to make sure niggas don't get hurt. Word, they gotta sign that contract.
My name's Duke.
Duke, calling him D-Block apparently.
Yeah!
Boy, he's going for the $200 challenge. On camera, on all. Gonna be on YouTube. Sir, you gotta...
Bro, I could do that shit in my sleep, bro. That $200 would have been in my pocket. Easy. Easy peasy. Word of my mother, nigga.
Get on there and fight out
What
for
about
yourself.
that?
Get on up there, D. Alrighty, now, young man, 8 seconds, one hand only. Can't.
Wait, what? Just 8. I would have been doing that shit in my sleep. 8 seconds? That's it?
Touch or grab the ball. Oh, he ain't smiling no more. You ready? All those dumb bull rules. Here we go. We got D. We got Willie. We got Willie. We got D. Oh, man, sir. We got Willie. He ain't smiling no more.
How long was that, bro? Duke, ain't no fucking way you just fell in 5 seconds, my nigga. Duke, you way too athletic to be falling in 5 seconds. What the fuck is going on, my boy?
You ready? All those dumb bull rules. Here we go. We got D. We got Willie. We got Willie. We got D. Oh, man, sir. That was 6.7 seconds, sir. I think we got a phone somewhere Willie took. No, he'll get it on his way, though. That's a secondary phone. I can tell what it is. Don't forget the trap phone, D.
You want my son body heavy. You want my son body heavy. You might as well just put your number in that trap phone, you heard? You might as well. Word.
How we going, sir? Thank you so much. Well, I'm gonna be on YouTube now.
Really ride that motherfucker. You going there, bro?
Money. Says he's gotta help his friends get those seats. More
Davo.
All right, bro. Go ahead, bro.
Alrighty, Davo.
Don't. Hey, it's one
8
hand,
seconds,
though.
one hand.
You got one
Don't
hand,
touch
that
or
motherfucker.
grab the bull, sir. Let me get myself ready. You ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Oh, yeah, he. Oh, no, he.
Oh, bro!
Oh, yeah, he. Oh, no, he.
Why he fall like that?
No, Davo, no. 4 seconds
Yo,
flat.
what about mother? Why the fuck he felt like that?
No.
Why you?
Oh, yeah, he. Oh, no, he.
Oh, no. Davo, no. 4 seconds
Nah, that's funny
flat,
as
sir.
Hey, they
But your
cheating.
dreads look great
Hey,
flying
she
in the
cheating,
wind.
bro. Oh, my mama, she cheating, bro.
She said his dreads look weak.
Hey, they
But your
cheating.
dreads look great
Hey,
flying
she
in the
cheating.
wind.
Oh, great.
Oh, my mama,
great.
she
I thought he
cheating,
said-
bro.
I'm saying.
My picture got messed up.
We can be doing that,
Yo,
though.
let me get the code. Get the code. Okay. Keisha, that's
Hold on. Is that in?
Yeah, I know. Which one you looking at?
8 seconds, sir. Getting close, too close. You're really shaking. Good job.
What you think, man? Think I should do it again, man? That's $10
Yeah, that
though.
shit scam, ain't gonna lie. Hey, shit, you got it. Shit, you got it.
No, I ain't got it. I really want to do it. You gotta think it's a profit though. got it's a profit. I done spent 20.
That's true.
If I spend 30, that's a goddamn $107 profit. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
My nigga, you gotta get it this time, my nigga. You damn near getting addicted, motherfucker. You gotta get it this time. You had 6.6. He had 6.6 seconds before. Bro, he can get that shit, bro.
Coming back on the
Damn, you want somebody, like, bro, just give him your number. Fuck.
Mighty D Block.
Yo. Oh yeah. Let's get it.
Tell me when you're ready. You ready?
Come on, Duke.
You sure you ready?
Yo, Duke, I'm doing this shit in my sleep, cuzzy. I'm doing this shit in my sleep, Brody. Come on, my son.
Alrighty, here we go.
Come on, Duke. Come on. Hold on. Come on, say that. Say that.
Oh man, he left.
Damn near his Balenci's damn near came off, nigga.
D Block.
I ain't gonna lie, Duke.
We love and appreciate you, sir.
Duke, word of my mother, Duke. You 0-3. You say you spent 30? You 0-3, my boy. Against some bull.
Don't forget the
My
track
brother.
phone. I think one
My
went that
brother.
way. Don't forget the sneakers. He wanted to make sure the kicks got shown today.
Oh, God damn. What?
Yo, why she chatting?
Fuck in the mic.
2 hands though, I get that though. Like, 2 hands, I get that easy. Like she
Oh, nah, for
really
sure.
cheated me though.
For
like,
sure.
type shit. That's all. I ain't tripping.
Nigga, I'm doing that shit with one. Duke. I'm doing that shit with one hand, bro. With my eyes closed, bro. That shit is light, bro. I don't know how the fuck your big ass keep falling.
Like that, man.
Like, yeah,
I'm tripping though. I ain't. What you say, bro?
Bro, you gotta be all the girls, you gotta be all the Riz, I swear.
You ain't got no
You the
real,
Riz
bro.
guy, bro. Hey, bro.
Damn, nigga, get off the nigga dick.
I pull all the girls just doing this. I pull all of them. I gotta go.
So go pull the shorty right now, little nigga. Go pull that shorty right there, right behind you.
You gotta be all the
Yeah,
girls.
go ahead, girl. You looked at her, nigga. You looked at
I
her.
gotta go.
Look.
Bro, I'm dead serious.
Look, he's gonna try to do the hump.
Hey, dude. Hey, can I get your Gmail? Can I get your Gmail, please? Your Gmail, please. Can I do an interview with you?
Interview?
Yeah. Don't go in today.
Right.
What's the freakiest thing you ever did?
What?
What's the freakiest thing you ever did?
I ain't had. Hold on, how old you were, man?
15.
Nope.
Oh, come on, dude. Niggas just trying to make it, you heard? Niggas just trying to just go up, you heard? Why y'all did that
Oh,
shit?
no.
I'm crying. I'm crying now, for real though. For real though. So you telling me day one you... What the fuck? How the fuck you on YouTube? That's cap. He edited that shit. There's no way you can get on YouTube with that flip shit. That's cap. That's cap. He edited it, bro. Nah, he edited it. I'm jacking it, bro. He just might be the best editor alive, bro. I'm jacking it, bro. I'm jacking it, bro.
Oh, really quick. Alright, hold on.
Ain't no way you can go on YouTube on that bitch.
What's going on, baby? I ain't used one of these.
boy?
What's up, bro? What's up? I ain't used one of these. Oh, but look though. No account, right? Look who third.
Nah, that shit dated.
Look who
Yo.
third. No account, yo. Yes, sir. Look who third. Hey, hold on. But that boy Duke did it. You know what I'm saying? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That boy Duke did it.
She wanted to get your number, dude. She wanted it, bro. What about mama? She wanted your number, bro. But she saw the flip phone and she was like, nah, I don't know if I can do it, bro. She kept walking. She thought about it. Look. She thought about it. The one right here. She thought about it.
But hell yeah, make sure y'all go subscribe. Don't do this, man.
Y'all are a gang of beautiful men.
Damn.
What you trying to get? You trying to get around? What you trying to do? A choo choo? Hey, what's the word, shorty? Fuck you trying to say?
Yeah, you
Freak
did.
ass.
I know,
trying to get
but I just
me.
needed to be amongst some beautiful men.
I ain't gonna lie, she type bad too though. I ain't gonna lie, Duke. I ain't gonna lie, Duke. I ain't gonna lie. She type bad too. Her mama. Beautiful.
I know, but I just needed to be amongst some beautiful men.
Oh yeah?
No, for
Too bad you ain't looking for a boyfriend right now.
you guys want
Oh, you want my...
smile.
Open up your IG.
Shorty said,
You know what?
smile.
I would give you my number, but I don't give my number out like
You don't
that.
have to. I don't either.
Oh, yeah?
No.
Nigga, close the phone.
What's your name?
Hold on.
I ain't gonna lie, the cigarette is crazy, bro. Duke, I ain't gonna lie, cigarette is crazy, bro. Word of my mother, she blowing that shit right in your face. And in New York, when niggas blow smoke in your face, bro, word of my mother, it's time to put on the poles, bro. I ain't gonna lie, she bugging. And it's not even a blunt. That bitch got a cigarette and she blowing down, nigga.
Cigarette crazy.
Word, that's what I'm saying, cigarette crazy. Word of my dad. What the fuck is she doing? Carrying a squirrel? Oh, shit! What the fuck? This dumbass nigga! Hold on. Let me make sure y'all seen that. Shit! Look at this dumb motherfucker right here.
Oh, shit!
Yo! Oh, shit!
I didn't see that coming.
Nigga, grab it! Nigga, grab it! Fuck you mean you didn't see it coming? Grab the fucking shit!
Holy shit.
Got him. Everyone saw that I got him, right?
I'm
Okay.
like, I was
Come back.
And then
Where'd he go?
I'm so
Hey, man.
It's alright, he all good. He all good. Was that a cat or a squirrel? If it's a cat, nigga, he got 9 lives. He all good. He straight, you heard? He straight in the hood. Especially the cats out here in New York, them niggas they don't die. You heard? They don't die. They be wildin'.
Y'all done dropped the fucking cat, man.
Ain't no way they drop that shit like that, bro. That dumbass nigga.
Hey, man, y'all done dropped the fucking...
See, bro, that's El Riz, bro. You was probably trying to riz the shorties up, bro. You dropped the cat, bro. It's over, bro. Go home, bro. You not getting no pussy, bro. You not getting no pussy, bro. Word, bro. It's raps for you, bro. You might as well just go home and go drink some wine by yourself, you heard? I ain't gonna lie, but you just violated, bro. Nigga violated the kitten.
Where'd he go?
I'm so
Hey, man, y'all done dropped the fucking cat, man.
That's crazy.
You look like
Dropping
what?
the kitten in front of some shorties is crazy. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah. Okay,
Man, that nigga got a strong ass jaw.
the baby. Yep.
Nigga, that dude look like the baby. He that dude. He that dude.
Really?
I don't. Next question.
You looking for him?
No.
Okay, then that's a great question.
No,
You looking to get?
no,
Are you looking to get to know somebody though?
Yeah, not really.
Oh yeah.
Not really. I'm just chilling right now.
Ready to go home?
Ready to go home.
Why the fuck you just change your pose like that? What you mean you just chilling right now? Nah, I look like you trying to get Nikki, shorty. Word of my mother. Word.
Yeah,
So you was chilling like that, and then look. You tooting that bitch. Hold on, shorty. What you trying to? Word. You heard?
Ready to go home.
Damn.
I like your. I mean to be leaning on you.
She get right away.
I know.
She get it right away because she got heels on.
Yeah, listen, I can have your number, man.
What's your name? He got a flip phone.
803?
Shorty said, nah, he got a flip phone. He got a flip phone.
803?
Oh, shit. Hold on, Duke. I ain't gonna lie. Shorty right here look like good. She look good. She look wild. Who the fuck is all them niggas screaming in the back? Like, shut the fuck up. Try to see my son word. Get some shit, bro. Nah, she bad.
Dude! Yeah, y'all know who the fuck this is? Type shit, but... Hey, man!
Yo, Duke, like, chill, trying to blow up the nigga spot. Like, what you on, nigga? TP, tighten up, nigga. Before you get your ass slept in this bitch, nigga. Calm down, nigga. Word. Calm the fuck down, nigga.
Type shit, but... Hey, man, I need to draw the hell.
He trying to get some shorties. That's why a nigga trying to get some shorties with Duke. He trying to act like, oh,
Hey, man.
I need to draw the hell.
Cut it, man. Cut this nigga, man.
Type shit. Yo.
That nigga just say
My boy.
Yo, so everybody just over there blowing down cigarettes, bro? Like, niggas is smoking bogeys over there, like, all day, bro? Like, niggas got bogeys on their ear. Like, damn.
Tight shit. Too many fiends.
Hey,
Real ready.
go tell my boy Big D about shit, man.
Big D block. Oh, I ain't finna pull that out, but you know what's going on? Whole lot of D block.
Niggas say whole lot of D-block.
So funny, bro. I got a whole ass flip phone.
Hold on, don't laugh at my dog, though.
I told him I'm in between phones right now.
Can we take a picture together? Yeah. Come here, man.
Hold on, what's your name?
That ain't do. What's yours? Hey, hold on. I really would get your number, but I ain't want to.
You can't have my number. I want too many jobs.
Hold on, I got 2 jobs.
Oh, you heard? You heard her? You can't have my number. I work too many jobs. She grinding for you,
You can't have my number. I want too many jobs.
Hold on, I got 2 jobs.
I got 2 jobs too.
Yeah.
That's what I
You gotta find this count. You chat right now, man.
Yeah, you see fuck. I'm that serious. I'm a mama. I'm a daughter.
Oh, yeah? And you know, I really love this blue on you, though.
Fuck you.
Fuck him. Fuck me.
Yo, what the fuck, shorty on? She said, "Fuck you."
Oh, yeah? And you know, I really love this blue on you, though.
Fuck you.
Fuck him or fuck me.
Yeah, fuck blue.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, fuck you.
And I'm saying color red.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I do.
What's up, man? Let me get your number, man. Let me get your number, man. Let me get your number, man.
You got a flip phone? I bet you dead.
Shorty, you probably got a flip phone too. What you trying to say? You about to pull one out your bro right now. Fuck you talk about? I know you got one. I know you got one too. Fuck you talk about?
That's some bullshit.
What's up? What's up with you, son? What's up with you? How you doing?
The old man ain't doing well.
Why you say that?
Ain't good to be in the streets, man.
Yeah.
I'm talking to the kings now.
Of course. I can't.
Me and my wife sitting right over there. I've been sitting there for the last 3 to 4 days.
Oh, yeah?
We
I got about
every damn dime we can get.
I got about 40. Hey, I got $40 for you right here, young sir.
See, that's
Hey,
a
look, I know it
blessing.
ain't much, but hey, look, that's an investment right there.
It's a blessing.
It's an investment right there.
Wait a minute. How old do you think I am, young man?
51, 52.
Uh-oh, here comes the wise words.
See that again.
51, 52.
Never see that again.
Huh?
I was born April 24th, 1940.
40. God damn, you about 73.
Hey,
82.
82.
God damn, you about 73.
Shorty said you about 73.
Hey,
That nigga 80, nigga. That nigga 80.
good as fuck, boy.
Nah, 80 is crazy. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. For you being 80, bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. That's word. You do look good, bro. Word of my... Hey, yo, not like that, bro. Chill, chaps. I know you over there smiling like, hey, yo, word. Nigga, I didn't mean it like that, bro. My son, word. You heard? Gangster.
Damn, don't break my shit, man.
I ain't gonna lie, 80?
Boy, that's count. Boy, you look too good to be 80 something.
Shorty right here looks scared of this nigga. Word of my mama, Shorty right here looks scared of this
My
nigga.
youngest child is 34.
Oh!
My oldest is 53.
If you 80 something, man, I would be blessed to look like you when I get 80 something.
That's a fact.
You look good.
That's a
I'll
fact.
tell you, man, you
Word.
look good.
I ain't gonna lie. Hold damn. What? What are you talking about, dude? Damn. What? What? What?
Yeah, like, nigga, you know what I'm saying?
What?
This would be a good advice point of view.
Nah, word. That ass.
Say, man. Hell yeah, like nigga goddamn, so boom, nigga, I'm texting her phone, nigga, she ain't answering. It's 3 in the morning. But she was just on IG Live. And goddamn it said she was acting. I seen the green bubble beside her. Nigga, bitch texted me earlier the next morning talking about I fell asleep. Bitch!
Why you lying?
You fella.
Bitch went through my messages, my goddamn photos. When she seen that curve, though,
This
she
funny
done
ass
got
nigga right here.
that curve.
Hey.
Nigga cute.
Hold on. Hey.
Left side.
Hold on. A bitch, hey, they had some bitches over here last night. The bitch done went through his phone and seen a dick pic.
Bitch was ready to stay in.
She was. hey, I can vouch for that, man. She was not trying to leave after that right there, man. And get what she told her friends, Q. Y'all can go. I got my own car. Yeah,
she was trying to get right with my son. She was trying to get right with my son.
So I'm wondering, damn, Q risking her ass up. Wrong. She seen a dick pic in his phone. It's tough.
Hey, I was reasoning though, like the whole time I'm talking to her and shit, and then she went through my phone on her own shit. So I'm like, shit, bitch.
That's your fault, word. That's your fault, shorty. If you want to be going through a nigga phone and you see a nigga dick pic, that's your fault, shorty. Word, you heard? Not saying like another nigga dick pic, nigga. I'm talking about like, you know what?
I was expecting her to see the dick pic, but I'm like, why is she goddamn going through my phone, like my messages?
Nah, word.
Sell weed, all type shit. I was like,
this
nigga said my heart beat.
My heart, bro. This nigga, bro, hold on, bro. What the fuck, bro, this nigga said my heartbeat was going through my dick one day, so I recorded it and sent it to him. Oh my!
Yo, I ain't gonna lie. Little do y'all niggas know, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I had a girl tell me that, bro. Like, I was chilling on my bed, right? Story time real fast. I was chilling on my bed, right? Some shorty on top of me, you know, you feel me? I'm about to get right. I took off my shirt, you feel me? I'm on my bed, you know, I gotta flex a little bit. I gotta show my little abs, you feel me? Cause the nigga skinny on this side, so I was flexing a little bit. She was saying on me and shit, bro, you feel me? And her shit was beefy. I'm talking about her shit was beefy, bro. And she just sitting on top of me and shit, bro. And my shit start getting rock solid, you feel me? And then out of nowhere, she like, what is that? I'm like, shorty, what you think it is? Right? She like, nah, I know your shit word, but like, that shit beating. I'm like, huh? My shit beating? She like, that shit beating like a heartbeat. And I'm like, I don't know. And that's it. Nah, that's and then I got right. Word. Nah, what about my mama? Dad had a shorty tell me like it felt like a heartbeat on my shit. Where my dad?
Boy, do y'all know how much of a straight face this nigga just had there?
I felt private stories.
No way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Nah, but I think it's like some nerve connected to some shit like that, bro. That shit was crazy, nigga.
Boy, ain't no way, boy.
I guess that's got a heartbeat in your shit, word.
Hey, that nigga Duke out here.
I still good. Hey, you know what? You still good too, though.
He is not gonna run. No, that's the old school.
No, I'm saying like she's still good. Like you still good, so she can get come on.
Wait, who is that? She look good.
Look. I ain't too young. I'm gonna let you know. I ain't no youngin' out here. You know?
I'm 48.
Nigga, I just noticed that nigga was rizzing up somebody's mama. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh. Damn, your mom look good. Holy shit, your mom look good.
I'm 48.
I don't care if you 41, nigga. If you 41, nigga, I'm 43, nigga. Word. Like.
I ain't too far.
Right now, I'm single. Yes.
Hey, you better go ahead and me. I am a grown man, man.
Word.
You're certified.
Yes, man.
What are you looking for?
Damn, her shit is beefy. Holy shit. Yo, shorty. Wait, how her daughter look? Alright, dude, bro, I ain't gonna lie. What am I mother, bro? You can get the mother, I get the daughter. What's the word, dude? 2-man? What's the word with the 2-man? You get the mother, I get the daughter, bro. What's the word? What's up? Let me see how the daughter look again, bro. Word. Hold on.
I'm a grown man, man.
And she look like her. I'm fine with it. Word.
Yes, you're certified.
Yes, man.
What are you looking for?
My phone.
Damn, her shit is fat, bro. God. I ain't gonna lie, you bad. For you to be 41, you bad, nigga. Bad, what am I, dad?
What's your name though?
Oh, he gave her the real phone. Alright, dude, I was about to say, bro, don't pull out the flip phone, bro. She gonna fuck around and turn around, bro. This is the one you cannot play with. This is the one you cannot play with right now, dude. Word. My son pulled out the iPhone, though. You heard? Like, oh, I think that's her. Oh, she probably got a man already, bro. She probably, I ain't gonna lie, gang. I would definitely TYB. Word of mama, but I'm just saying, bro. Personally, that's just me, though. Nah, I'm fucking with you. Nah, but that's funny as hell.
Oh, is he recording this tape?
Oh, yeah, whatever.
What? He get my number?
No. Hey, you know what? Y'all different. You know what? Really? No. I'm saying like,
Randy, you gonna let him run his wrist on? He's running. Randy, you gonna let him run his wrist on? He's running his wrist on.
Oh, indeed, that is not his shorty. That is not that nigga shorty. That's her cousin. I ain't gonna lie, shorty, but word, Duke. Word, Duke, 2-man, bro. I get shorty right here recording you, bro. You get the 2-man real fast, you are. Quick 2-man. Quick 2-man. Nah, I'm fucking with you. Oh, it's that.
Hold on.
Nah, she bad though. Word of my mother, she bad.
Oh, you got an Android. Oh, no. Look, I'm gonna test you. This is me right here. See, you hear me? This is me right here. My name Duke. Nice to meet you. Yes, ma'am, you too.
What the rest of the AMP crew at?
She wants some dick. She wants some dick. Yo, dude. You better have God right, man.
Yeah, come on, take a picture right now.
My God. What's your name?
Oh my God, am I okay?
My name Duke.
Oh my God, your teeth are free. I'm Victoria.
Victoria. Yeah. Okay, y'all.
Yo, let me. Yo, y'all see that nigga face on my bucket?
Oh my God, your teeth are free. I'm Victoria.
Victoria.
Yo, look at this nigga face. That nigga like he just. Nah.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all.
What about mother? She's bad.
When y'all go about what? About 6 hours.
Oh, right here, she's fire. She's tough.
6, it depends on what part.
Right here, she's tough.
Oh yeah.
That kind, yeah.
Okay.
Niggas got the old heads outside. Niggas is deep.
Oh my God,
Hey, don't.
What she said?
oh my God,
Hey, don't. Dude. Matter of fact, hey, come here, man. Get your number or something, man. Get your number or something, man. With this right here, right here.
Boy, what?
Oh, what? You gonna?
I'm sorry. I don't care.
Yeah.
Is that
Okay.
though? I don't.
Shorty said I don't care. That's what I like, nigga. Fuck is you talking about? Fuck is you talking about? What the fuck I like, shorty? I like that right there, bro. I like that, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I knew shorty was tough from the beginning. As soon as I seen her, bro, I knew she was tough. Oh my God.
I don't care.
Yeah.
It
Okay.
doesn't matter to me. Dude, that's not your fault. That's not your fault. Shouldn't even light up when you
She's bad, bro.
You're just typing in random.
Look, Duke, another 2-man. I can get the shorty right here, bro. Come on, son.
See, I know my number by heart.
Did the flip phone really work? That's not even C.
Oh no. See, that's my. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no. I was just making
Yeah,
sure.
I was about to say,
No, because I pulled it was dead. So like I had to. I don't know. Shit, I got my other phone with me type shit.
Yep. My brother, Bert, he is.
That's why I was there cool this morning. Hey, nice to meet y'all, man. Y'all have a good night.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, ma'am. You have a great night too. Yes, ma'am. Yep. See.
I ain't gonna lie, Duke. If you wanted to, you probably could have killed all 3 of them. I don't know about the one in the middle, bro. A little iffy, you are. But word, bro. You could, if you wanted to, you probably could have. Word. What am I there, bro?
I told you.
Nah, but that shorty right there, was body heavy. She was on your body heavy, bro. You could, Duke.
That's why I was there cool this morning.
She tough.
Hey,
I
nice
ain't
to meet
gonna lie,
y'all, man.
she
Y'all have a
tough.
good night. Yes, ma'am. You have a great night too. Yes, ma'am. Yep. See, I told you. It definitely was gonna work, man. You see, hey, it was dead at first, and I was like, type shit, it's gonna work, so this still count, low key.
Bro, that motherfucking bullshit. You you hear me? No, we not. I'm from Raleigh, bro. 100 block. Fuck Raleigh, nigga. Man. Come on, WGN shit. We from the Bull City, down North Carolina. You hear me? No cap.
She came back. Shorty came back.
Bro, 100 block. Fuck Raleigh, nigga.
She almost a body.
We from the Bull City, down North Carolina. You hear me? No cap.
Well, that's a hard shirt right there, my brother. Shirt. This nigga got a Akatsuki collared shirt on. That motherfucker hard, man.
I'm so fucking good.
Yeah, I ain't nobody. I just brought the camera.
That's good.
Oh, he's somebody. I don't know who is everybody did it.
You don't even know who do. Shorty, how you don't know my son?
You gotta fuck like that. I don't know you, but I want to be like.
Yeah, nah, I just bought the camera because I know
Okay, so you do
motherfuckers like the camera.
YouTube. What kind of like videos you do?
Shit, I just started like last month.
What you do though? Like them videos they be like, hey, you cheating on your
No.
nigga?
I just be doing random shit.
Oh, like what though?
Whatever I want to do.
Well, fuck it, you tell me.
Like if I want to go ride a horse or some shit, then
Well,
I'll
let's
do that.
go ride a horse.
Where you from though?
Virginia.
See, what the fuck is? What's up with everybody being from Virginia? Like,
I'm from Richmond. I don't know where the fuck the rest of these bitches is from, but I'm from Richmond.
shit. I ain't never been to Virginia.
Okay,
Fuck you mean from Richmond, nigga? You ain't go to my high school, nigga. Or Richmond, New York. Fuck is you talk about?
put my snap in. Put that on the YouTube.
I don't got Snap. I stopped using that shit.
What the fuck you got then? You finna.
I know there's a Richmond fucking Virginia.
I know you ain't gonna do me like that.
Alright, fuck that. What's your number? Let me see.
Dude, I want to talk about person.
I don't know. Shit, let me see. I'm being real. I ain't want you for the clout. I want to know who you is.
And I'm trying to get to.
Alright, come on. Let me see the track. Fuck.
Yeah, what's your? I'll get it after.
Nah, Duke, hold on, Duke, what is she grabbing down there? Yo, Duke, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I don't want to be that nigga, bro. Duke, I do not want to be that nigga right now, Duke. Duke, I do not want to be that nigga right now, bro. But I ain't gonna lie, that's a little too crazy, Duke. What is she? Where's her hand at, bro? Duke, and she look at Duke. Duke, I don't want to be that nigga, bro. You know I don't want to be that nigga, Duke. But what the fuck is this? Why is she What is she grabbing back there, Duke? Duke. My nigga. What is she do?
Real tight.
Oh, real tight. Okay, I got you. I'm already knowing what that shit going. The fuck going on, nigga?
I need my TikTok to blow up.
Excuse me? You are too. What's your name? Jay?
Oh, we already.
My name Duke. Nice to meet you. Yes, ma'am. Where you from? Columbia. I'm from Greenville, man. I fuck with your hair, man.
I ain't gonna lie, she pretty as fuck.
I fuck with your hair, man.
I ain't gonna lie, she pretty as fuck. Word of my mother. Oh my god, I would love to look at her while she getting me some shit.
I've been trying to find Davo the whole time.
Let me chill. I'm wildin'.
I'm trying to find Davo. Where the fuck the nigga at, man?
Damn. Everybody knows that shit.
So why you come up to me on it? Know what I'm saying?
I just wanted to.
Oh yeah, man.
Yeah.
Come up to me, man. You know what I'm saying? Ready? I wouldn't let her talk to you like that, bro. I mean, me personally, no, I'm talking to my dog. Me personally, I won't let nobody talk to me like that. I'm just saying, me personally, I won't let shit like
Nah, word, that's a fact.
Then again, like, that ain't me, and that ain't none of my business, really.
Got me running down the fucking beach.
Wait, no motherfucker. Let's take a picture. Though.
All right, come on. No cap. I'm over here today.
Who this fat ass? Who the fuck is? Damn, shorty, eat your ice cream. Relax. Eat your ice cream, then take the flick. Relax. Calm down. He not going nowhere.
This shit looking for you.
Yeah, you right. You damn right.
Who the what?
Wait, no motherfucking way. Take my North Carolina.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, big dog shit.
Big dog shit. Hey, we ain't want to come get this motherfucker from me. Stop motherfucking playing with me. Stop motherfucking.
wherever North Carolina, wherever you from, I want to be from the same motherfucking place, man.
You do?
I want to be from the same.
You
place,
do?
man.
Give me a hug. Give me a nigga bring him for so long. This is my nigga right here. Come take him from me. Come take him from me.
Oh, nah, she talking crazy. She talking crazy. Yeah. She said, come, yeah. She ready. She ready to get the pose.
You know what?
Come take him from me.
You know what?
Come take him from me.
We together from here on out.
Yo, we together.
Yeah.
Come take him from me.
What's today?
Come take him from me. Come take him from me.
Our anniversary is May 28th.
Shut your hungry ass up. You know you want that ice cream.
Our anniversary is May 28th.
Ain't no way you was just doing on that and this is your nigga right here. Ain't no way you was just doing on that. This is your nigga right here. Eat your ice cream. Stay over there, eat your ice cream with me next to your nigga. You wildin' right now.
Boy, ain't no motherfucking way, boy.
Nah, I'm fucking with you.
Hey. I told these hoes that's my nigga. He said when our anniversary.
May 28th. That's today.
Yeah.
About time, we got been looking for y'all, boy. What time we got stepped on, bro?
Man, listen, everybody be like, what the fuck do care? I'm like, that nigga do here.
I like your performance. I love it. Yeah, I'm locked in, brother.
Damn, shorty! Get!
That motherfucker move, I ain't gonna lie.
That motherfucker move, hell yeah, I said that motherfucker move.
I ain't gonna lie. That motherfucker move, I ain't gonna lie. That motherfucker move, that's what I got. Okay. Yeah, that motherfucker move, brother. Yeah. Say hey to my little
How y'all doing?
Yeah.
She throwing up.
They scared, I ain't scared.
Oh, yeah, I'm already knowing you ain't scared,
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, fellas, look, I swear to God, brother. Hey, she got no drawers on either. I can feel it. I can feel all of the.
Oh, she horny. Alright, what the fuck are you doing, nigga?
Right here, like she ain't got no drawers on, fellas.
She wants some dick. She wants some dick, nigga. She wants
Hey,
some
but I ain't gonna lie,
dick.
I've been doing the same motherfucking thing all day.
Hold on, what we on YouTube? What we
Yeah,
talking
man.
about?
I don't know what the fuck you talking
Goddamn,
about.
I ain't got no diamonds and shit like he do.
yeah.
Goddamn, what we on YouTube?
Yeah, you going on there? Say something right now.
Damn, I'm broke.
Hey, shout out Big 25, man. Yeah, we got this bitch with goddamn Duke, man.
Duke. Like I said, Duke. We out here got there, Duke. Yeah.
Hey, shout out Big 25, man. Yeah, we
Shout out Big 25, man. We out here, Duke.
Duke, man. We got that up on the trip.
Hey, no, I do got something.
I'm telling you.
Hey, look.
Nah, that nigga funny as hell. That nigga funny as hell.
Hey, listen. Since the governor of Florida is my daddy, I'm putting it up on camera. Come here. Hey, look. Free gas card whenever you go to Florida. Alright? What's your name? John? Hey, congratulations. Free gas card.
I came with a cushion shit. I'm over there. I saw that. He got us from here. Bye. I'm sorry I went right now. You already know I was coming for. Hey, girl. Thank you. I know I look bad right now, but one day we're going to get married. I promise. I promise you. I promise you. Alright, let's do it. I love you so much. Like, so much. Like, you're really my wallpaper. And
Yo, this nigga is salty. This nigga right here is some salty ass nigga, bro. This nigga right here is like some salty. Watch him the whole time. Look at this nigga. This nigga got no bitches.
Hey, we got pictures. Hold on, wait a minute. Let me get Wait, Anthony! Somebody want to take a picture. I'm going to show him. He can't see all. He got to see all bad. Go ahead, B. Take it.
I don't know what's going on right now. I did it. But hey, appreciate y'all. Yeah, I want you to hear too, though.
Y'all ready? Y'all ready?
No problem, man. Nice to meet you, Miss Deborah. Yes, ma'am.
All right.
I'll get you first and then back.
Hit me up.
I'll get you first and then back.
Hit me up.
Shorty said, hit me up.
Hit you up on Facebook, Deborah B. Jones. I got Facebook, so I'm gonna hit you up. Yes, ma'am.
She trying to get right.
You get it?
Yeah, my bad, I was born. Alright, man. My bad, man.
That shit made me.
This shit right here is gonna be a bang. Hey, now you good? That jersey, born this sport. Yeah. Are we right here?
Appreciate that, bro.
Hey, try 1v1?
Hell nah.
Why not?
That shit born.
Hey, man, I done seen you hit the flip before. I see you tomorrow. We gonna hit one of them.
Oh yeah? I ain't even gonna be here tomorrow, gang. So hold on, you can bet, man?
What's up?
You can.
What's up?
Oh God.
Oh, yeah.
You got a slide right now.
I'll take the slides up. You take slides right now.
Oh God.
You gotta do that shit with me.
No.
Do that for you?
Yeah.
No, yes, I ain't gonna say that.
No.
What's up?
Yeah, I just want. I
I
don't
bust my ass
believe.
in front of all these people. I still don't give a fuck.
I don't give a fuck.
What you want to hit with?
Whatever you feel most comfortable with. So hey, my dog is finna
Only
do.
because I seen him do that shit on the video.
Oh yeah. Tight shit.
On the football shit. And this shit slippery.
Hold on,
If I
hold
touch
on.
my ass, I don't give a fuck. Hey, yo, do that.
Hold on. Take off your hat, bro. Oh, now that your shit look good.
This shit ain't going nowhere, bro.
Hold on. Ah! Come on, man. He knew he wasn't gonna fuck up. He knew he wasn't gonna
What's
fuck
up?
up.
Do that shit.
I will hold it.
Clear the street.
Oh, this nigga about to flip too? So, okay, so now we in the Olympics. Now niggas, all of a sudden, niggas can flip now. Now niggas can flip, turn around in the air and fly. All of a sudden, niggas can fly next to bitches now, huh? I need to learn how to flip now. Shaking my head.
Oh, shit.
Go home. Go home, my nigga. Go home, bro. You just folded in front of some shorties, bro. Go home, bro.
What is that, boy?
Go home, my nigga. Go home.
This the time?
Go home.
Yes, it is. No.
That's an 0100?
I ain't know what the fuck you was talking about, though.
Hell yeah. But it's a 24-hour clock. That's all. Yes, sir.
Damn, that red shit is crazy.
OD.
Nah, that shit is crazy.
I got you. Hey, you gonna know who shot that shit. That's my slogan.
Oh, yeah?
You know who shot that shit.
Well, I'm gonna use one of them as my profile picture. I ain't gonna count. Everything
Nah, I
that
need to
y'all
take some
just see
flicks.
is for
That's a fact.
entertainment purposes
Indeed.
only, bro. I really don't be raising motherfuckers' mamas up. And to be honest, bro, for all the
You capping. Stop fucking
talk
capping, nigga.
people that be posting me, bro, stop saying Duke can't be stopped. Duke is unmatched. Stop saying all that shit, bro. I am a regular ass
Nah,
nigga,
hell
bro.
yeah. That niggas be dick sucking the shit out this nigga.
Alright, fellas. With that being said, man, I love all y'all still.
Yes, sir,
Love
dope.
all y'all. Love all the
Right,
females
know the vibes.
who starting to support me, starting to watch me, and things of that
That
nature right
nature.
there.
And with
man.
that being said, that's it for the video. Subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you enjoy, like I always say. 13th way or no way, you dig? Gra gra bo!